If you're captivated by the limitless sky and yearn to capture its beauty like never before, then you're at the right place. Today, we're soaring through the clouds to bring you the top 5 best drones of 2024, a lineup that promises to revolutionize your aerial photography and videography. But wait, before you rush to add these marvels to your cart, I've got exclusive insights that you won't want to miss. From jaw-dropping features to surprising capabilities, these drones are redefining what's possible. And the best part? You can grab yours through the links available in the pinned comment and description box below. Stay tuned to discover which drone claims the coveted #1 spot and why it deserves a place in your tech arsenal. Remember, don't buy until you watch this. Your journey to the skies begins right here on the Gadget Corner. Kicking off our countdown at number 5, we've got the DJI Avatar, the game changer in immersive flying. Imagine strapping on a pair of goggles and being transported into the cockpit of your drone, experiencing the world from a bird's-eye view. That's what the DJI Avatar brings to the table with its unique FPV, first-person view experience. It's not just about flying, it's about being one with the skies, feeling every twist and turn as you navigate through tight spaces with agility that has to be seen to be believed. But don't let its compact size fool you. The DJI Avatar is a powerhouse, capable of capturing smooth, high-quality 4K footage at a thrilling 100 frames per second. Whether it's speeding through a forest or capturing the excitement of a sports event, the Avatar ensures you don't miss a beat. And for those who fear a crash landing, DJI has got you covered with the emergency brake and hover functions that add a safety net to your aerial adventures. The DJI Avatar isn't just a drone, it's your ticket to an exhilarating flight experience that's as safe as it is thrilling. Ready to take the plunge? Check out the link in the description and pinned comment for more details. Sliding into the #4 spot with grace and agility is the DJI Mini3 Pro, the ultralight marvel that's redefining the boundaries of drone technology. Weighing in at just under 250 grams, this tiny titan packs a punch without the need for extensive drone registration in many regions, making it the go-to choice for adventurers and creators on the go. But don't be deceived by its featherweight design. The DJI Mini3 Pro is a giant when it comes to performance, capturing breathtaking 4K HDR videos and stunning 48MP photos that defy its diminutive size. And when the wind picks up, no problem. This little dynamo boasts impressive wind resistance, ensuring your footage remains stable and clear even when conditions are far from perfect. Perhaps the most astonishing feature is its endurance. With up to 47 minutes of flight time on a single battery, the Mini3 Pro lets you explore the skies longer and capture more of the beauty below without rushing back to the ground for a recharge. The DJI Mini3 Pro isn't just a drone, it's your ticket to capturing the world in astonishing detail and freedom. For those looking to soar without limits, you'll find your wings with the Mini3 Pro. Claiming the bronze in our aerial lineup is the DJI Air 2S, a drone that truly embodies the essence of being an all-round master. This powerhouse manages to strike an enviable balance between premium features and affordability, making it a standout choice for those who crave the capabilities of the Mavic 3 Pro without the hefty price tag. At the heart of the Air 2S lies its formidable camera, equipped with a 1-inch CMOS sensor. This technological marvel is capable of capturing mesmerizing 5.1K videos and 20MP photos, ensuring every frame is packed with detail and color richness that breathes life into your aerial adventures. Whether you're capturing the serene beauty of a sunset or the intricate patterns of a cityscape, the Air 2S delivers with precision and clarity. But what's power without protection? The DJI Air 2S is equipped with advanced obstacle avoidance systems, watching out for hazards in the forward, backward, and downward directions. This guardian angel technology ensures safer flights, giving you the confidence to explore more challenging environments. And when it's time to move, the Air 2S folds down into a compact, portable form, making it the perfect travel companion for creators on the move. With the DJI Air 2S, you're not just flying, you're embarking on a journey of discovery with a drone that's as versatile as your imagination. Ready to capture the world from above with unmatched quality and safety? The DJI Air 2S is waiting for you. Find out more and secure yours today through the link in our description and pinned comment. Soaring to the #2 position with unmatched versatility is the Autel Robotics EVO Lite a drone that's quickly becoming the favorite of enthusiasts and professionals alike. This versatile champion stands out from the crowd with its ability to capture the world in stunning 6K resolution, thanks to a powerful 1-inch sensor that ensures your visuals are not just sharp, but also excel in low-light conditions. The beauty of dawn and the mystery of dusk are yours to capture in breathtaking detail. But the EVO Lite Plus isn't just about stunning imagery, it's also about intelligent flying. With its advanced obstacle avoidance system featuring omnidirectional sensors, this drone ensures your flight is safe from unexpected obstacles, giving you the freedom to focus on capturing your vision without worries. And for those who thrive on speed and efficiency, the EVO Lite does not disappoint. Offering a remarkable 40-minute flight time and the ability to reach top speeds of up to 68 mph, this drone is perfect for fast-paced shots, chasing the action wherever it goes without missing a beat. Compactness is another hallmark of the EVO Lite, with its foldable design making it an ideal travel companion. Whether you're hiking up a mountain or exploring a new city, this drone is ready to go wherever adventure calls. The Autel Robotics EVO Lite is more than just a drone. It's a declaration of freedom and creativity, designed for those who dare to explore and capture the world in all its glory. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for, ascending to the throne and claiming its rightful place as the king of all camera drones, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro stands unrivaled at the pinnacle of aerial photography and videography. This masterpiece is not just a drone, it's a bold statement of superiority, equipped with the legendary Hasselblad L2D20C camera. Boasting a 4.3 CMOS sensor, the Mavic 3 Pro captures the world in mesmerizing 5.1K footage, enriched by the Hasselblad natural color solution to bring out the true beauty of your shots with unparalleled clarity and color accuracy. But the DJI Mavic 3 Pro isn't content with just leading the pack in image quality. It's packed with professional-grade features that cater to the most demanding creators. Its omnidirectional obstacle avoidance ensures your flight is as smooth as your footage, navigating safely around potential hazards. With a generous 46-minute flight time, your creativity is no longer bound by the clock, giving you the freedom to explore and capture more of the world around you. And for those moments that require a closer look, the Mavic 3 Pro offers an optional telephoto lens, allowing you to zoom in on distant subjects without sacrificing detail. Whether you're capturing the intricate patterns of a wild landscape or the fleeting moments of wildlife in action, this drone ensures your vision is never compromised. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is not just the best drone of 2024, it's a testament to what's possible when innovation meets artistry. It's designed for those who demand nothing but the best in their quest to capture the essence of the world from above, ready to reign supreme in the realm of aerial photography and videography. Your throne awaits. Discover more about the DJI Mavic 3 Pro and secure yours today through the link in our description and pinned comment. Welcome to the pinnacle of aerial excellence. And there you have it, folks, our curated list of the top 5 best drones of 2024, leading up to the unparalleled DJI Mavic 3 Pro, the undisputed king of aerial cameras. Each of these drones offers something unique, from immersive FPV experiences to unmatched image quality, ensuring there's a perfect match for every aspiring and professional creator out there. Remember, the sky is no longer the limit, it's your canvas. And with the right drone from our list, you're set to capture the world in ways you've never imagined. Whether you're a filmmaker, a photographer, or a hobbyist, these drones are your ticket to breathtaking perspectives and boundless creativity. Before you take off on your next aerial adventure, make sure to check out the links in the pinned comment and description box below. Not only will you find your ideal flying companion, but you'll also be supporting the Gadget Corner in bringing more insightful content your way. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights and reviews. Fly safe and let your creativity soar. Until next time, this is the Gadget Corner signing off.